Hey Jonathan, this is Aaron. I'm your automotive salesman from Victory Nissan, brother. I got the vehicle right behind me that you've been inquiring about, the 03 Chevrolet Avalanche. Man, I'm gonna tell you, for an 03, this thing is freaking clean. Let's take a look at it inside together. All right, Jonathan, I just want to show you a great look at what this vehicle has to offer. 2003, 18 years old, and look at this guy. No cracks in the dash, no stains in the carpet. Heck, there's no stains even in the seats, man. And it comes with the Bose premium audio sound system, brother. But yeah, let me know what you think about this guy. Reply to the email down below, and hopefully we can get you in here soon and see what you think of this truck.